Kushone abantu abayishumi Kwalimala Abahlanu ngesikhathi kushayisana izimoto ezimbili mahlanze emgwaqeni R63 phakathi kwase Adelaide nase Maqoma e-Eastern Cape. Iziphathimandla zomgwaqo esifundazweni zithi lengozi yenzeke phakathi kwamabili namhlanje. Abashayeli balezi moto kufaka phakathi netekisi bangabanye babashonile. Uphenyo lusaqhubeka ukuthola imbangela yalengozi. Okhulumela umnyango wezokuthutha e-Eastern Cape uNathi Bhenqose uthi bethukile ukwehlelwa ingozi edlule nemphefumulo engaka njengoba nangesikhathi samaholide ephasika azibanga zimbi kanje. Owengamele umnyango wezokuthutha esifundazweni usenxuse ukuba kuphenywe kabanzi ngale ngozi. Saliqalileke uhlelo lokuhlonzwa kwezidumbu emakhazeni kahulumeni kanti umnyango uzophinde uhlinzeke imindeni ngosizo lokwelashwa ngokomqondo.
We are hoping that the picture won't get any worse than it already is now. But among the injured are 3 adult females as well as 2 minor males. They are in a serious condition at a hospital in Maqoma. Like I said, among the deceased, we are told that it's 6 adult females as well as 8 males. And unfortunately, drivers of both vehicles are among the deceased, which has left us with no choice but to open an inquest document, docket, rather than what would have been a culpable homicide. But both vehicles have been towed to the police station in Makanda, and we're hoping that they will be able to tell us a story or two of what may have led to this crash. Our crash investigators from Pretoria will be descending in our province to comb the scene of that crash, as well as look at those vehicles for any clues, because we do not want to see anything like this happening again in our province.